This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix League of Legends clients. First of all, click on Show Hidden Icons, and here you will get Riot Client. You have to exit Riot Client. So right click on it and click on Exit. And after quickly doing it, on your desktop, right click on Riot Client and click on Properties. And here select Compatibility and check this box, run this program in compatibility mode 4, and here make sure to select Windows 8 and also check these two boxes, disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator, and then click on Apply. Okay, and after quickly doing it, launch your Riot Client and you'll be able to launch it without having any issue. This is how we can fix League of Legends client. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.